Hey guys, so at the MWC 2026 event, Blackview revealed the Xplore 6 series. Now the series consists of the Xplore 6 and the 6 Pro, and these devices, according to the details, would be the first rugged phones to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. This makes the Xplore 6 series the most powerful rugged devices ever released. Now, this is not the only special thing about the Xplore 6. According to the details, the Xplore 6 would have 18 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.1 storage. The phone would have a 6.73-inch AMOLED main display with a 3.2K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, as well as a 1.47-inch secondary display on the rear panel. The main display is said to be protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The device would also be powered by a 12,000 mAh battery with 120 watts fast charging support. And in the camera department, the device would feature a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultra wide angle lens. So this means this device is the first device to feature a periscope telephoto camera, because I don't think there is another rugged phone with a periscope telephoto lens. But if I'm wrong, feel free to correct me in the comment section. The phone would also have a 50MP selfie camera. This device supports up to 8K video recording, which is expected. Now the difference between the Xplore 6 Pro and the Xplore 6 is the fact that the Pro actually has a thermal imaging camera. This is the only difference between both devices. As you can see, guys, the Xplore 6 and the Xplore 6 Pro are literally rugged beasts. And although I don't know when they would launch officially, but I'm expecting the devices to launch before May. I'm mainly speculating, so please take what I just said with a pinch of salt. But these devices are expected to cost over $1,000 easy. Anyway, once I get the details about their release dates, price, I'll definitely share with you guys, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So what do you think about the Xplore 6 series? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.